The BERNINA 570 embroidery machine allows you to combine more than one design on screen. Let me show you the steps that you're going to need to do this and what else you can do once you have all those designs on screen, and what if they don't fit. We can size it all together as like a group. So here's what we're going to talk about. Let's go into an area that has specific designs for adding more than one things together. For example, this fun surfboard design has a blank right here. This design is called a name drop design. So that means you add lettering in there, or a name, or a last name, something fun, or you could put surfs up with that. So if we're going to add to this screen, you notice that this design is like layer 1. Choose the plus to add to it. So right now it goes back and it says, well, what do you want to add? So let's go all the way back where we might choose lettering, and let's do that. Let's do surfs up with uppercase and lowercase. So first we do see that this does not fit and it's beyond the hoop size. So let's start by touching the eye, choosing sizing, and reducing it down so at least it's inside the stitching area. Next, we'll need to move it into position. So again, you can use the magnifying glass to start to zoom in on what you are doing. And if you need to, let's see here, we're still moving it down, still a little large. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce that down even more. Ooh, I'm liking the way that looks. So I'm going to come out and unmagnify this so we can see the whole design. And you can see that my original design is kind of grayed out, but my letters are the darkest. So what if we want to see it all together? You see this arrow down, touch it until you get to where the whole layer is combined together. So we can see what it's going to look like before we stitch it. Now at this point, you might say both the designs are selected. If you need to adjust the original design or the words at any given time, just highlight the one that you want to adjust. When you want to actually change all the parts and pieces at once, select the first level and then touch the eye for information. So what if I got this all here and then I'm like, ooh, it still needs to be a little smaller to fit. Touch the sizing, and now everything will size in the as a group. I love, love, love that feature. So I don't have to really work too hard or start over or like make one design smaller and then make my other design smaller. I can do it all at once. Now remember, if you want to save this, come up to the folder, look for the folder with the arrow pointing into it, and you have the option to save it to your machine or to a USB stick. So if I save it to my machine, I'll be able to come back, maybe sew it tomorrow. Maybe we're prepping it today and then we're going to sew it tomorrow. We can do that. So where does this actually hang out as a saved item? When you're back at the beginning, the items in your folder with the heart in it are the ones that you have saved. So it's super easy to come back in, pick the design that you are working with, set it for the hoop size you're stitching in, and you are ready to stitch. So try out combining designs. There's no limit to how many designs you can put on screen. Well, there might be. There might be a stitch count max, but all in all, I have actually never maxed out how many stitches I can put in one hoop. But have some fun. If you're doing some lace design, sometimes it's nice to put more than one design on the screen. Hoop up a couple pieces of the water-soluble stabilizer and then just let it stitch. Put a full bobbin in and sit back and watch it complete all the designs in one hooping.